In 1517, a German monk by the name of Martin Luther starts nailing, or is nailing these theses called the 95 Theses, right? You might have heard of it, led to the Reformation, or, well, actually there were other things that were leading up to it, but then the Reformation came out of the season. And in education today, I believe that we need a revolution. We need a good revolution, a good transformation of our education system. I'm not saying we try to fix things that need to be put away. I'm saying we need to rethink what we're doing. And so what I'm going to do over the next few weeks, actually 90 days at least, is to go over the 95 Theses of education transformation. We're going to start from the very beginning. What is education and what is a person? What are we trying to do when we say we're providing education to a person? So I'm going to challenge us on that question. What is a person? What is a man? What is a woman? You know, we talk about the fact in the Christian faith that people are made in the image of God, and that is part of why we can expect them to be able to be educated, right? So having that first premise established will help us on this quest. So stay tuned as we go through all these different ideas that can really help us to rethink what we're doing and provide a high quality of education to students all over the world. It doesn't matter where you're from. If you follow this journey, you will have a quality education. I'm going to be talking about excellence in science, excellence in mathematics, excellence in education as a whole. What are the strategies? What are the lessons we can learn in providing quality education to every student? My name is Amos Tarfa, and I'm a medical physicist and math and science curriculum writer. I also teach and write different aspects of, let's call it how to live, lessons on how to live using the Bible as the guide. So Christian apologetics is going to be tied into this as well. Welcome to the 95 Theses of Education Transformation. Join me as I share day by day little nuggets. And so today, let's answer that first question though. What is a person? Well, the Bible says in Genesis chapter 1, let us make man in our own image. That's part of the verse 26 and 27. Male and female, he created them. So the very first thesis is that God created man and woman in his image. So people are made in the image of God and they have potential. They have been made for a purpose. This is part of why it's important that we love one another and encourage one another, because God has created everyone for a reason, for a purpose. And education needs to be seeking ways to help people become who God made them to be, to bring out those gifts and talents that they've been given. So we need to be open to customized education that is tailored to the specific child. This is part of why homeschooling is a very exciting and efficient route, because it helps every child flourish. But I get it, not everybody might be homeschooled. Well, whatever education platform, parents need to be involved in providing that support to the child. We can't leave education just to people at a school. We need the parents to be involved. Education involves parents and educators coming together to help the child become who God made them to be. What is a person? One who is made in the image of God. There's a reason we don't teach algebra to dogs and cats, because they are not comprehending that, right? We don't see monkeys building skyscrapers. So clearly there's something different about humans. What is it? And let's make sure we understand the basis for which, we educate. And for the Christian, we say that people are made in the image of God. Let's raise the bar in education in America. Welcome to the 95 Theses. I look forward to sharing more with you. Have a blessed day.